Hey, Spencer from Lighter USA here with the unboxing of the new Kanger Uboat. Here's what we're dealing with. A closed system competitor to the Jewel and the Soarin' Air. Why this instead of that? So the airflow, little more open on the U-boat here than the Jewel or the Soarin' Air. Larger capacity, so this is 2 mLs, so it'll hold some more juice. Battery, slightly more mAh, so it's going to last a little longer. So you've got that. That's what's going for it in terms of the actual specifications. This is it in my hand. So it's going to be this is going to go right in my pocket. No issue for sort of concealability, and you're not really going to have any issues with transport here. Here's how charging works. So rather than having a micro USB cable plugged into the bottom, it's going to sit in this cradle. Boom, just like that. It's charging. So that's charging. Here's filling. It's got this little plug, and you'll pop the plug out and fill her up. Pop the plug back in. Comes with some replacement plugs in case you lose your initial plug. Bing, bang, boom. Want to start it, just plug it back in, ready to go. No buttons to press, super easy. And this is actually going to use a ceramic coil inside of here instead of the traditional Kanthal wire coil that the Soarin' and the Jewel are using. So hopefully that's going to cut down on the burning out of the coil itself. And yeah, so that's the Kanger Uboat in a nutshell. We'll come back soon with a review video of it in use, but I wanted to get the unboxing out as fast as possible so you can pick this up on our website and pop any questions in the comments below and I'll answer them, and I hope you have a great day.